Good morning, children. In today's video we will discuss about the chapter 11, and the name of the chapter is what? We need them. The name of the chapter is what? We need them. So this is chapter 11. You see, in our previous chapter we have learned that some people are there who helps us to make our life easy and comfortable, right? So now we will discuss those person along with some others, right? So you can see here, this girl is saying what? Mummy, who is the man? Who is this man you are buying vegetable from? So this girl is asking her mom that, Mom, you were purchasing vegetable, that is okay, but who is this? Who is the person? So her mummy is replying what? She is replying, Saina, he is Dinu. He is what? His name is Dinu. He is a hawker. He is a hawker. Hawker means who sells things, who sells something. He goes door to door to sell vegetables. He actually is having this type of vehicle, and with this he goes to door to sell vegetables. He is our helper. Yes, this person is providing us vegetables. So in this time he is helping actually. Some people provide us services when we need them. Some people actually provide us some services when we need them. They are our helpers. They are actually our helper. People who help us, right? So we will learn today the people who are actually helping us. First one, mechanic. First one is what? Mechanic. As you can see, this person is making this vehicle easy to drive, and he is sorting out the problems the vehicle is having. So a mechanic repairs motor vehicles. He uses screwdrivers, jack and spanner to do this work. As you can see, this is a screwdriver, this one is screwdriver, this is a spanner, and he is holding a jack. Okay, in his other hand, you will I have already shown, I will show you this to you in our online class. Okay, you see just this one only, screwdriver and spanner. So he uses what? He uses jack and spanner, jack, spanner and screwdriver to do his work easy, to make his work easy. Now this potter, many of us plays with like muddy things, like many toys made up of mud. So who makes this? A potter. A potter makes pots and other things with clay. A potter makes other things of clay, pots and other things like toys, cups, glasses, the tea holder, teapot, he makes. Only these people makes. A potter makes pots and other things with clay. He uses the potter wheels. This is a potter wheel to give shape things. What is the use of a potter wheel? Potter wheel gives shape to the thing. Next one, a farmer. Next one is what? Next one is a farmer. So we are eating rice, paddy and so many things for him only. He is a farmer. A farmer sows seeds and plow the land to grow crops. Actually, he is a farmer and he sows seeds. He puts seeds in land, and with the help of this plow, he actually dig the soil, he put seeds and grow crops. He uses plow and sickle. This is a plow, okay. He uses what? He uses plow. Now the next one. Name the vehicle a farmer uses to plow or water his field. Do you know what is the name? I am telling you. The name of the thing is, or the name of the particular vehicle is tractor. Now, you see, do you love vegetables? You must have to eat, you must eat vegetables. So from where do we get vegetables? From our greengrocer only we get vegetables. So a greengrocer sells vegetables. He uses a weighting scale to measure the vegetables he sells. Actually, he always used this type of weighting scale, and now it is computerized. Every greengrocer, mostly greengrocers are using a computerized weighting scale. So greengrocers sells what? Greengrocers sells vegetables. Next one, a mason. A mason helps to build houses. In our previous chapters also we have learned so many things, okay, about mason. So a mason helps to build houses. He used what? He used trowel to do his things. He used what? He used trowel. Plumber. Who is a plumber? We know it very well that a plumber repairs taps and pipes. A person who repairs taps and pipes is called as plumber, and a plumber uses wrench. A plumber uses a wrench to repair taps, and a mason uses a trowel. This is a useful thing for a mason, and wrench is used by plumber. Now, barber. Yes, when we want to cut our hair, we used to go to a barber. Mostly boys mostly boys are going to a barber. Mostly they go to a barber, but a girl mostly went to a parlor. They went to a parlor to cut hair or trim hair. Now Saina wants to know what? She wants to know, name the tool of a barber uses to dry hair. Hair dryer. Now, chef. A chef is a person whose work is to cook. So, who is a chef? A chef is a person who actually cook. Now, match the people to work they do. Milkman. What is the use of a milkman? Milkman brings milk. So milkman does what? A milkman brings milk to us. Milk gives us power, strength, stamina, and it keeps our bone and muscle. It makes our bones and muscles strong. So a milkman brings milk. Tailor. A tailor stitches and repair clothes. If you want a new dress, what we will do? We just brings as per our measurement, we brings cloth from market and we give to a tailor. He used to do what? He used to stitch it and make that cloth fit for us. And if you see that my dress is torn somewhere, we used to give our dress or clothes to the tailor to repair that. Next one, cobbler. Who is a cobbler? Cobbler mends my shoes. Yes, cobbler mends shoes. Painter. Who is a painter? A painter actually paints building. Postman delivers letters and parcels. Gardener waters the plant. Teacher teaches student. Easy. Now we will learn some people who cares for us. There are some people who actually care for us. Some people take care of our health and safety. So a doctor treats sick and injured people. In our previous chapter only we learned this thing, that a person or a doctor treats sick people and injured people, and a nurse helps a doctor in taking care of patient. See, doctor already, every doctor is having an assistant, that is a nurse. Circle the tool a doctor and nurse use. Which one? This one, this one, or this one? This is a things used by a farmer, that is sickle. This is a thing, it is used by a mason. So stethoscope. Stethoscope is used by a doctor only and nurses only. Now, policeman. What is the use of a policeman? A policeman protects our lives and belongings. Yes, I told you just now that a policeman protects our lives and belongings and he guards our neighborhood. A traffic policeman manages traffic on the road. A firefighter puts out fires and saves people. These are the people who takes care of our safety. And our health, who takes care of our health? A doctor takes care of our health. Now people who entertain us. You see, long day work, after a long day's work we need some relaxation. So there are some people who actually entertain us. First one is musician. A musician plays music. A person who dances is a dancer. Now a choreographer arranges and teaches the steps in dance. I don't know how to dance, but I love to dance, so a choreographer will teach me how to dance, how to do the steps. A clown, he is what? He is a clown. So a clown wears funny clothes and performs funny acts to make people laugh. After seeing him, we feel happy. So this clown wears clothes, funny clothes. Funny clothes he used to wear and makes funny acts. Magician performs magic tricks, and an actor acts in plays, movies and television programs. An actor or actresses also plays in a movies, television, theaters. So they used to play there. This is the chapter actually. Now we will do the exercise. It is exercise time. Wait, yes. Who helps a doctor to take care of patients? Who helps? Nurse helps a doctor to take care of patients. How does a policeman help us? A policeman protects our lives and belongings. What does a potter do with a potter's wheel? Anybody from here? Yes, that's a nice answer. A potter gives shape to things. So who helps a doctor to take care of patient children? Who helps? Yes, that's very good. Nurse helps a doctor to take care of patients. How does a policeman help us? A policeman protects our lives and belongings. What does a potter do with a potter's wheel? A potter wheels actually. What does a potter do with a potter wheel? So a potter actually I need to write here. A potter's wheel gives shape to things. Okay. What is the use of a potter wheel? Potter wheels actually gives shape to things. Now complete the flow chart. Tool we use. Here some names are there. You need to say or you need to write the things they actually use. Okay. The first one, the name is mechanic. Second one is potter, third one is farmer. So mechanic uses what? A mechanic uses spanner, screwdriver and jack. A mechanic uses spanner, screwdriver and jack. A potter uses potter's wheel. A potter uses potter's wheel. Farmer uses plow and sickle. A farmer uses plow and sickles. So now say with me children. A mechanic uses spanner, screwdriver and jack. A mechanic uses spanner, screwdriver and jack. A potter uses potter's wheel and farmer uses plow and sickle. Now who are these people? You need to say some work are there and you need to say the person who are doing it. I repair a vehicle. Who repairs a vehicle children? Tell me. Tell me children, who repairs a vehicle? Very good, a mechanic. I sell vegetable. I sell vegetable. Who am I? Very good, I am a greengrocer. I play music. I play music, so who am I? Yes, I am a musician. I dance. So a person who dances is called as dancer. I do funny act. I do funny acts. I am a clown. I act in movies. I act in movies. I am an actor, right? So we will read it once more. Exercise time. Who helps us? So okay, let me do it once more for you from this one only. Milkman does what? A milkman brings milk. A milkman brings milk. A tailor stitches clothes and repairs also. A cobbler mends shoes. A painter paints building. A postman delivers letter. Gardener waters plants, and the teacher teaches student. So these are the work of the people. You need to match it, the person with their work. Now here in exercise time we will read some question and we will try to understand. Who helps a doctor to take care of patients? Who helps? Yes, very good. A nurse helps a doctor to take care of patients. A nurse helps a doctor to take care of patients. How does a policeman help us? A policeman protects our lives and belongings. How does a policeman help us? A policeman protects our lives and our belongings. So he always protect our neighborhood and our family members also. They protect us from thieves, dacoits, etc. Snatchers also. How does a potter do? What does a potter do with the potter wheels? A potter's wheel gives shape to things. So a potter wheel gives shape to the things. Tool they use. So here some persons are there. You need to say the tools they use. Mechanic uses spanner, screwdriver, jack. And potter uses potter's wheel. Farmer uses plow and sickle. Now who are these people? You need to say the people name who are doing these things. I repair vehicle. I am a mechanic. I sell vegetable. I am a greengrocer. I play music. I am a musician. I dance. I am a dancer. I do funny acts. I am a clown. I act in movies. So I am an actor. Now again a matching thing. Person with their tools. Barber uses comb and scissor. Now they are using actually electronic things. Okay. But actually they used to use comb and scissor. Now they are actually it is a modern time, though basically they are using trimmer. But now mostly they are using scissor and comb. Now potter uses potter wheel. Greengrocer uses weighting scale and carpenter using these things. Right? Now activity time. You need to do what? You need to fill in the blanks using word from the box. You need to fill the box with the help of these words. Architect, potter, dentist, artist, chemist, pilot, blacksmith. This is a new word for you children. So blacksmith basically does what? He makes things of iron. So let us see. A dash sells medicine. Who sells medicine? Architect, potter, dentist, artist, chemist, pilot or blacksmith. We know it very well that a chemist sells medicine. Now next one, a dash flies aeroplane. A pilot flies aeroplanes. A pilot flies aeroplanes. A blacksmith makes and repairs things made of iron. A blacksmith makes and repairs things made of iron. A potter carries people's bag at railway station, bus stand and other place. Listen children, there is a confusion. There's people used to like do this mistake, that is potter and potter. Potter, P-O-T-T-E-R. Potter means the person who makes clay things, who makes things made up of clay. But potter is a person who actually carries bag at railway station, bus stop, etc. A dentist looks after our teeth. Yes, actually the dentist looks after our teeth to make it healthy. An architect helps to design a house. Yes, an architect actually designs and draws plans for our new house. An architect makes painting. Yes, an architect makes painting. I hope you have understood this chapter. Make sure to read each and every line from here to here. You need to read each and everything, right? And make sure to write this exercise in your copy as well as in book. Okay children, this was for the day. I hope you have enjoyed and you have learned something. Bye bye children. Take care.